Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I will show another product, that is Ring Video Doorbell. Venetian bronze bundle with Eco Show 5 third generation. Detail of this product is with ring chime, with ring indoor cam second generation, with ring indoor cam and alarm 5 piece, with ring stick up cam, with ring stick up cam and alarm 8 PC. This bundle contains a ring video doorbell, Venetian bronze bundle with Eco Show 5 third generation, 1080 PhD video doorbell with enhanced features that let you see, hear and speak to anyone from your phone, tablet or PC. And update from the original ring video doorbell. Enjoy improve motion detection, privacy zones and audio privacy and crisp night vision. Receive mobile notification when anyone processes your doorbell or triggers your built-in motion sensors. Powered by the built-in rechargeable battery or connects to existing doorbell wires for constant power. Easily set up by connecting your Ring Video Doorbell to Wi-Fi through the Ring app and mounting with the included tools. With a Ring Protector plan subscription sold separately, record all your videos, reviews, what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos. Pair with select Alexa enabled device to enable announcements and two-way talk for convenient in-home monitoring with a Ring Protect plan subscription sold separately. Alexa can also make a voice announcement and automatically show a live video feed on an Eco Show, a Fire TV or a Fire tablet when your Ring doorbell detects a person or package. Now I will show some images of this product. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button, press the bell icon and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.